Now, if you want to track and analyze the activity of a given chain all in a single view, you can go to our chains dashboard. You can access this by going to the left and hitting chains, and you'll be welcome to this dashboard right here, where it gives you a single view to see everything. Now, the very first of all, you can see how the chains compare on key metrics such as active addresses, transactions, and fees, and then filter them down by past 30 days, past 7 days, and past year. You can also just take a look at only EVMs. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can see how the activity has changed across those different chains for a given time frame. So right now I'm looking at active addresses and I have Base, Ethereum, and Solana selected. But let's say I want to add Arbitrum and Optos to them. If I press save, now you see that they're showing up as well. If I want to change this to the past 30-day view, then it'll change this accordingly. And maybe I just want to take a look at how the transactions have changed across time. So you can see how the transactions are changing across those 5 chains. Now, if I want to dive deeper into a given chain, all I have to do is just select the chain. So I select the Solana here, and I get an overview of their activity across the past 180 days on active addresses, transactions, daily deployments, and the top 5 entities as well. And once again, you can always filter these views based on how you want to look at them. So I want to look at daily deployments over the past year and only look at the tokens, their contracts. And perhaps I want to look at the top 5 entities on Solana for the past 30 days by transactions. So this is really a neat way to get an overview of your favorite chain and see how activity has been across a given time frame and compare and contrast between one chain to another. That was getting started with the chains growth dashboard. Now, don't forget to check out some of the other videos as part of this one-on-one series so you can use Nansen to surface the signal, create winners.